Hi there. Today I'm going to be observing dynamic routing and looking at the behavior when we use static and default routing only, and then compare it to the behavior of when dynamic routing is set up. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open up PC0, and then we want to open up a command prompt, and then we're going to do a trace route on the network for edge 1, which is 18.20.5. 172.18.20.5. Sorry, I think I may have mistyped it there. Yeah, there we go. And it looks like it takes 3 hops. So we got 18.16.1. So we got to see where it hops from to there. Okay, it looks like it jumps through BR2, goes through, wait, where are we going? BR2 to edge 2 through the serial interface, and then back up to the edge router itself. So it goes through BR2 and then edge 2 through to edge 1. So it goes through the frame relay network, boom, done. So now what we need to do is bring down the link between the BR2 and the frame relay network. So we're going to go ahead and close this down, and we just need to identify the BR2 frame relay network at serial 010. So we're going to go into BR2, open up the CLI, enable conft ints 0/1/0, do a shut, and then do a write, exit, write, exit, write. There we go. That configuration has changed, so now we're going to go ahead and close this down and do the trace route to edge 1 on Fast Ethernet on the PC0 again. So we're bringing up the command prompt. We can just hit up and do the trace route. And we're going to see where it goes. Alright, and it looks, from you, if you can see here, it's bouncing just back and forth, so we're going to go ahead and shut that down. It's going to keep bouncing until it hits 30 hops. It's bouncing between 16.1 which is this, the BR2, and where's the 16.2? Yeah, it's bouncing it between BR2 and ISP2, trying to get it to go to the right destination, but it can't because it doesn't have a direct way to get there. So what we need to do now is go into BR2 and ISP2 and go ahead and set up EIGRP. So we're going to go ahead and go into BR2 first. We're already in global configuration mode. So all we need to do is go to conft router EIGRP. They want us to use autonomous system number of 10. And before I did this, I actually went and grabbed the networks that I need to put on there, as well as what their wildcard masks are, which means I don't have to get the exact subnet mask. I can just use wildcard one and it will automatically assign it. So we got router EIGRP 10 set up, so we're going to do network 172.18.16.0. Its wildcard is 0.0.0.255. And then we're going to do network 172.18.0.4. Its wildcard is 0.0.0.3. Oops. .3. And then it wants us to turn off auto summary, so we're going to do no auto dash summary. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do an end, do a write, boom, it's the configuration saved. Now we're going to do the same thing to ISP2. So we're going to bring ISP2 up, bring up the CLI, then we're going to do router EIGRP 10 network 172.18.16.0 0.0.0.255. Okay, and as you can see there, we have adjacency because we set that up. So the next network is 172.18.0.8 0.0.0.3. Alright, that's set up, and then we just need to turn off auto summary. No, auto summary. Boom. The auto summary is turned off, so we're going to go ahead and do an end, do a write. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and do a trace route from PC0 again to see how the actual route has changed now that we have EIGRP set up. So we're going to do the trace route of the same router, and last time before we shut off the link it was 3 hops. So with this, first it sends it to 16.1, which is BR2. It can't go there, so it sends it to 16.2, which it can go there, and then it goes through 18.0.9, which we got to see where that's at. Okay, just bear with me 1 second here. Can't seem to find that. Okay, anyway, it sends it up. Sorry, I gotta bring that back up for you so to see. Sends it through there to 16.2 or 18.0.9, which I'm guessing it takes it up through here, through the Internet Provider Suite, and over to the Edge router at 20.5, because I don't see the 18.0.9. But anyway, that's how it changes the route for the packet to go through once you've set up a routing protocol such as EIGRP or OSPF. And we're going to go ahead and hit the check results button so we can show Don here. And you can see here, 7 out of 7, all 100%, everything's set up. And here's the other thing so you can see it, completion 100%. Alright, well I do thank you for watching my video on observing static and default routing and then comparing it to dynamic routing. I hope you learned something, and I hope you had a great day.